Hey there, it's Tim from Tim's Electric, and today it's another unboxing. This one's actually from QIEWA, and they reached out to me to send me a scooter like quite a few weeks ago now. And this box just arrived. Nobody had to sign for it. It does have my name on it, so I know it was sent to me. But the box actually was open, so I knew it was a scooter. The box was open, the box was split open on the side, but I don't think that's all in QIEWA. I'm sure that's just, you know, UPS shipping and stuff like that. So anywho, let's see what's inside. I'll get Melissa here to come really close, and let's hope the things are in here are in fact still here. Oh, looks like we've got the deck sticker. So QIEWA Q POWER2. Let's see what this looks like. It was really heavy when it came. Melissa and I just got back from the gym, and it was quite the struggle to get it up the stairs. So whatever's inside is a big one. And you know what? Because we know it's heavy, I'm gonna open it up and finish off this box. Oh my goodness, it's a heavy duty box, that's for sure. So I'm gonna tip this on its side towards you guys. Body lotion. I'm not sure where that came from. That's weird. But there is a user manual. I think that's gonna be a little bit useful, or maybe not. Let's see what's inside here. Well, it tells you very, very few things, and it's got the P codes, which is always kind of handy to have. I'll put that aside and take a look at it. Let's get the rest of this off. Oh, a little tool set here. Some looks like wrenches, a couple of Allen keys, 3 or 4 Allen keys and a couple of wrenches. And here we go, one humongous plastic bag. This looks like it might be the biggest scooter I've ever received. Oh. A couple other things in here. I'm not sure what this is for yet. It just looks like a couple of bolts and some kind of, I don't know. I'm not sure what that's for yet, but I'll find out shortly. And then in this box, let's hope for a charger. And there's a charger, and it is a little, it says it's a 2-amp charger. So I'm gonna say based on the size of this thing, it's gonna take a while to charge. Let's put those aside and not lose it. It's wrapped up really well, very good packaging. There's another box in here. Oh, another part charger. So I think we're able to double charge. That is, charge up in 2 ports, but we'll see what it looks like when I pull it all together out here. There's something here wrapped up. I'm not sure what it is, so I'll just take it apart and see what's inside. Looks like we've got a nice big handle here. Oh, that looks like some form of kickstand. But if I look, oh, I see, okay. Looks like the kickstand hasn't actually been put on yet. So that's gonna be something I'm gonna have to do. No problem. And yes, indeed, one enormous light has been revealed. Looks like the light might be in need of some assistance. It's definitely rattling around in there, so we'll take a look at that later. There's a lever on this side that if I release, I should be able to lift it up. Yep. And bring these handlebars up. And there it is. Wow. So what I'm going to do now is spend a few minutes figuring out how to put on the kickstand. I'm going to attach the handlebars, and then I'm going to turn it on. It looks amazing. I see that there was some damage done to the front here. Let's show Melissa so she can see. This is a nice flat mount for the headlight assembly, but on this side, there's definitely been impact, and it looks to my eye like it's been folded or bent in. But yeah, anyway, not the end of the world. I'll take this all off and bolt it back together again. Alrighty, so I have attached what I think is the way that the kickstand should go, but then I've got this little piece on here. So if anybody watching this video knows how I'm supposed to put this on properly, let me know. Anyway, I'm going to continue. Okay, so I'm just going to take the packaging off. Oh, there are keys. Excellent. Something this big. That's really comforting to know that there are keys. So Melissa's going to get really close here and I'll show you. It looks like there are 4 bolts here. I'm just going to unscrew these. And then they go into. And this looks like it just slides right into these. So a couple of holes here. Okay, so I've just done something really daft, and that is, I'm pretty sure I put this on backwards. Wouldn't be me if I didn't do that. Cut. Next thing, let's get the keys. Turn it on. I've got some bolts to tighten up here. I've got to figure out this kickstand. I mean, it's working for me. Maybe that's just the way it is. I don't know. It just seems it doesn't seem quite right mechanically. And yeah, so anyway, so I'll reach out to them and find out what this is supposed to actually look like a zoomed up version, and then I'll put this on properly. Handlebars, as I said, I've just got to tighten them up. They've given me Allen keys and all that. Charge, I'm going to get Melissa to come right over the top here and I can show you exactly what's on the handlebars. Over on the right hand side, we have the ability here. There's the power feature, and then we've got gear 1, 2, and 3, like a typical trigger. Over here, I'll peel this off at some point. And this is the voltmeter, obviously. Down here, we've got the eco mode, turbo mode, single, and dual motor. Again, this will all come out when I do the full review. On the left-hand side over here, we've got the lights, which Melissa's already been oohing and awing over. It looks pretty amazing. Off and on. Down below, we've got indicators, left and right. So if the lights are on, that's kind of nice. And down here, we have hydraulic brakes, and they're huge. Tires, they're tubeless nylon tires. They are apparently 11 inches, and they're an off-road hybrid. I think that these look like an off-road tire, so I'll double check that. And as I said up here, I'll take this into my local Ride the Glide and ask Mike there. He's the expert on this kind of stuff. He'll look at this and say, yeah, we need to take this off and probably bang it out straight or something like that. But and it definitely feels a little bit loose inside here. So one of the pitfalls of international shipping, thousands and thousands of miles. Last but not least, the horn, which is very loud. So I'm pretty excited about this. There will be a full review coming out very soon. What I will do is, well, it's already charged up. I'll tighten up all the bolts, take it for a boot around town, and then what I'll do is do a full review. Probably take me about a week or so, because I like to put a few miles on it, go up island. I'll also put the specifications of the QIEWA Q POWER2 up on the screen so you can take a look at it. Huge twin motor, but with a massive battery in the middle. The thing weighs quite a bit. It's a very solid machine. I really like the fact that it's got this very, very strong looking stem, the dual stem, and the wires going through it. So anyway, Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe and leave your comments down below if you have any questions about it and what you think this would be really good for. So anyways, have fun. I'll start tightening.